No one escapes the Cidhna mine. No one. It's probably one of the best quests in all of Skyrim. When you get into Markarth, there is all this talking about the unescapable prison of Cidhna mine, a place of despair and forced labor. You are not allowed to get inside, so you are left to wander. But then, as soon as you have uncovered the plot, there is a twist in the quest.
You're under arrest for murder and conspiracy against the city of Markarth.
Now you, get down there.
And you are thrown inside the Cidhna mine. It's an intense moment in Skyrim, but the place, after all, is unassuming, quite small, and maybe 5-6 prisoners inside. So not so much on the vanilla side. But now let's see the expansion. And here we are, thrown into a living hell. Our destiny is a lifelong sentence. Digging silver for the Silver Blood family. Silver Blood, Blood and Silver. And the bad news is now this place is bigger than ever. Let's take a look at the left branch of the mine. Here there is a female prisoner. Digging, of course. Going deeper. There are torches very usefully scattered around the place. Okay, that's better. Let's go on. Another prisoner. Here there is a complete new room. Let's go up here. Every prisoner has been named. Every new prisoner. Let's get up here. We see. This is a kind of dump for the skooma. We know skooma is. They told us that skooma is the only currency in the Cidhna mine, and I think also the only pastime. I had the feeling there is something to be found among these dumped, emptied skooma bottles, but I have not found anything. Maybe you will be more lucky. This is the map of the place, and as you can see, it's at least 4 times bigger than the vanilla Cidhna mine. It's very maze-like, as a real mine should be. It's not just more space, more people, there are also some secrets scattered around the place for you to uncover. For example, what is this room full of human remains? I've also found this dead-end tunnel here. I've got no idea how to get through this, but there seems to be a lot of stuff behind.
Mardanach is smarter than you think.
Now let's see if the Mardanach private quarter has been changed too. I would say yes, I don't remember all this tapestry in vanilla. And oops, it seems the king in rags won't give up some of the pleasure of life, even here in Cidhna mine. And yes, there is some nudity in this mod. But don't underestimate this girl. She is not a sex slave, she's a bodyguard. It's a kind of witch and will make killing Mardanach a lot harder. There is another unexpected effect coming from this Cidhna mine expansion, which goes beyond the mine. It's the prison break. Now has really become a mess prison break. About 20 prisoners are escaping through the Dwarfen dungeon, may get stuck for a while, but eventually every one of them will get through and escape into the city of Markarth. And you will be left here, wearing the very good looking armor of the old gods, and wondering if helping the Forsworn in the jailbreak was such a good idea. Hope you enjoyed the video. In the upcoming Skyrim Watch episode, no more underground mines, but a huge open-air castle. So please subscribe and join me on Facebook, and see you next. Bye.